Hey guys, welcome back to my channel this evening. I have a comparison video for y'all today between the JuJuBe Be Packed and the JuJuBe Mini Bee. This is a requested video that a few people have asked me to do, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that now that it's Friday and my kids no longer need their bags for school. The first bag I'm going to do is the Be Packed, and I'm just going to pack it up for a 2-year-old, just for one child, as a nappy bag. If you would like to see a different style of packing, please let me know and I can do that type of comparison video, but for today I'm just going to do the diaper bag style. So here we have the Be Packed. This is my daughter's school bag, and she used to take the Mini Bee, that I will also demonstrate here in a moment after we've done this one, as her preschool bag, and she was actually using that for primary school for about 2 weeks until I could get my hands on one of these. And it did fit everything, like a fuel cell and a drink bottle and her hat and all that jazz in there, but it was a little bit squishy. This is working out much better. So it is, I would say in my opinion, it does fit more than the Mini Bee, but these are the items that I will be using to pack the diaper bag. As you can see, I am using a Be Dapper, and that is going to be my nappy or diaper pouch slash change of clothes kind of station. So before I get started showing you how I actually have the Be packed up as a diaper bag, I do want to show you just really quickly how I packed the Be Dapper. I have demonstrated this in another video that I will link below and above also, that shows 5 ways to pack this. So this is just packed as a diaper changing station slash change of clothes for disposable nappies, diapers. So real quick in here, I'll just show you what I have in here. Don't have anything in this zip pocket, but in the center here, you can fold this back too, which is really kind of nifty. I've got a Y pouch, 30 count. I've got a light change pad from Next Y Base, a Hello Kitty coin purse with some disposable baggies and a wet bag inside, 2 size 5 disposable nappies, and a change of clothes. So I've got a little size 3 shirt and a little size 3 shorts. So that all fit in the Be Dapper, which is kind of nifty. This is a really cool little bag. So we'll start at the front of the bag. This is kind of like the mommy pocket, I guess. And in here, it doesn't go all the way down to the bottom of the bag, but it does have 2 mesh pockets in here. And I will actually try to put this is a Kate Spade lacy wallet, and I love this wallet. I can't say how much I love this wallet. Anyway, I'm not going to get into the wallet, but I'm going to see if it fits, because I was able to put my Colorado wallet in there, and yep, so that doesn't fit in here. And this is about the same size as a Be Spendy, so and a Be Rich. So I would say that would probably not be the best place to put your wallet if you were using this as a nappy bag. So that being said, I think I will put some different things in there. So I do have a small set piece in chrome that I use as my mommy slash med kit pouch with a whole bunch of things, hand cream and band-aids and all that jazz in there. So I am going to actually put that in here in this mesh pocket like this, and that fits really nicely in there. And I always keep my hand sanitizer as well with that, so I might stick that in the next to that right there. And seeing as there is some more room in there, I think I'll try to put in my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip gloss. Okay, so what I might do is actually just pop that in the actual pocket bit right in there. So that's that pocket all done. Now there is a mesh pocket on the side here that my daughter does actually use for her drink bottle. So I am going to put a thermos funtainer in there, because that, you know, it's a drink bottle thing. So at first I wasn't sure about this pocket, but you know what, it's fine. It does the job. Okay, now the other pocket apart from the main pocket, is the tech pocket, and I do know that my iPhone 8 Plus does fit in there standing up, which is good. So now we'll go into the center of the bag. So it does open with 2 zipper pulls, which is nice. It doesn't go all the way down, but it goes enough down that, you know, you can get in and see everything. There is an elastic pocket back here. This flap thing is from the tech pocket, so I do like to kind of tuck that back there. I do have left my Be Dapper with all my change of clothes and nappy and diaper needs. So I'm going to pop that into the main section, and that takes up quite a bit of room, but that's okay because you know what? Next to that, I'm going to put my Toki Pops medium set piece with all my snacks. And look, I think these prints look so cute together. They're just so similar, but they're like slightly different coloring. I just love it. Okay, so that's just gonna go next to the Be Dapper like that. Now the only other things I have left are my Shimmer and Shine cardboard hard book, which I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link below. This is such a perfect little book for little 2-year-olds because there's not, you know, there's very little writing in there, but there's such cute pictures. So I'm going to pop that in the slide pocket back here. I do have a mini wipe pouch with antibacterial wipes, so I might pop that back there too. Forgot to put my wallet in. Okay, so for my wallet, which is kind of essential, right? And keys as well, but keys I think I just chuck into this pocket actually. That's where I'd put the keys, would be into this pocket right here. With this one, I would just slide down. Actually, so what I do is I take out the Toki Doki coin purse and put that back here I think, and I just slide my wallet down in there like that, and that works fine. To get this like zipper pull can be a bit of a pain, just, you know, side note, because I have noticed that when I've been packing my daughter's lunch. So there you go. So that works out really well actually. I'm really excited. It's the Be Packed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the mini Be and I'm going to put everything that was in the Be Packed into the mini Be, and I will show you some size comparisons side by side and things like that as well. Okay, so I have the mini Be right here next to the Be Packed. And of course this isn't packed, but you can definitely see a definite height difference between the two. Say it's about there, kind of half an inch I'd say. And then when you turn it sideways, so the mini Be does pack out quite a lot. So I think as far as being the difference like in the width that it packs out, they are very similar. I actually find this a little bit thin. It tapers down at the bottom, which is kind of weird, but you can fit, I guess, a lot in there. This one does have the mini Be does have 2 bottle pockets, which can be, you know, important to some people. Not very important to me because I never put bottles in there. I always put other things in there if I'm packing it as a diaper bag, but that's a major difference too. The handles are different. Of course, this is more just material. This has actually got a padding to it, which is really nice. It's like a structured handle, which I really enjoy, especially for kids if they're using this as a school bag, and even for adults because you can really get a good grip on it. There isn't any tech pocket at the top of the mini Be, but it does have a front pocket here, kind of like the BRB, very front pocket, and this has a more of a zip pocket with some mesh pockets in there, some different organization. So they do open very similarly, although this does go all the way down. The mini Be goes all the way down to the bottom, but it does have gussets, so it's the same idea that things aren't going to fall out of your bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take things out of the Be Packed and put them into the mini Be. So let's start with this front pocket here. So let's see, so I've got my lipstick and lip gloss, my keys. I did run down and get my keys and put them in there. Got my hand sanitizer and my small set piece. So I think I might try putting my lipstick and lip gloss in the side bottle pocket of the mini Be like this, and that actually goes okay because it blends in because it's a Toki Doki coin purse. And then in this side I do like to keep my keys in the bottle pocket, so I'll put my hand sanitizer in there, and I will also put my keys in there as well. So we will take out the drink bottle for now. Okay, put that aside. Get my phone out of the top of the Be Packed because that might go in the front pocket here. So let's take things out of the main section now. All right, and we'll go into the mini Be so you can see the difference in how they open. Okay, so this definitely flops open a lot more than this. As you can see, it goes all the way down, but because you have the gussets, it's not too bad. I actually prefer this, to be honest, because you can still get in. It still pulls out, you can get in. But this is a great, I mean, I'm not diminishing the mini Be, it's a fantastic little bag, but you know, as a diaper bag, I'm not the hugest fan of it that way. Okay, so for the back zip pocket here, what I normally put in there is my Toki Doki coin purse with my brush and everything. That usually goes back there. Now this is a this is a mini bee that has a long back pocket. Some of the classic designs have a shorter pocket like the Rosy Posy. So that will make a difference in what I can fit into that pocket there. Obviously, I'm going to take the bee diaper out and I'm going to pop that in, okay? That is going to take up the majority of the room in the mini bee. I do have my medium set piece, so I can pop that next to it. I have my Shimmer and Shine book. Pop that behind there like that. I do have my wire pouch. I put that in front of there. And I also popped in here a Boogie Board, writing Boogie Board thing that I recently got from Amazon, which you know, is a nice addition to entertainment options for Clara if she's fussy. So that back on the other side next to the Shimmer and Shine book. And I also have my Kate Spade wallet, so I'll put that in front there too. Small set piece, which I'll try to put on the side here. This is getting really full. Okay, so I'm going to put my wallet there. I'm going to put this in this front pocket here, the mini wire pouch. I'm going to put the small set piece kind of in front of this medium set piece. Let me see there, like that. And then I'm going to put the water bottle kind of in there. I don't even know if it's going to close up. Okay, it closed up. Alright, that is a very, very packed, full mini bee. So I was able to fit everything in there. Or is my phone, so I'm guessing my phone would kind of slide in there with the mini wire pouch. So you can fit everything in there, but that is not how I would prefer to pack it. It's just too squishy. There's a bit of a comparison packing between the two. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. Would you prefer to use the mini bee or would you prefer to use the Be Packed? So I hope that helped you guys out there kind of get an idea of how these two bags compare. Please leave any comments below, any questions that you may have. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye.